Marc Ben-Ezra from Florida Professional Law Group here. We hope that you've been okay through the storm, but in case you've got any property damage, we've got 4 helpful hints for you. 1, document the damage. Take pictures and keep notes, including keep a timeline of what happened and who you've spoken with. 2, your insurance policy requires that you protect the property to prevent any further damage. If you can do it yourself, that's fine, but be safe. And if you need a preservation company or a restoration company, call a professional. If you need a recommendation from our office, please feel free to give us a call. 3, preserve any damaged material. The insurance company may want to investigate and look at it later. And 4, if you call in the claim yourself, be careful about what you say. Stick to the facts, say only what you know. The insurance policy requires that you tell the truth, but it doesn't require that you guess. So be careful about technical terms because they may mean something different in your policy than you think that they do in real life. If you want help from a professional, please feel free to call our attorney adjusters at 800-LAW-4141. That's 800-529-4141, or look us up on the web at flplg.com.